Numerical 8. In an economy, C is equal to 100 plus 0.4y and investment expenditure is rupees 1100. So what we have to find it out? We have to find it out the national income, but here we have to find it out with the help of saving and investment approach. And second, we have to find it out the consumption expenditure. Let us start with first. यहाँ पे हमें सेविंग और इन्वेस्टमेंट अप्रोच बोला है. दैट इज वी विल फाइंड इट आउट द इक्विलिब्रियम लेवल ऑफ इनकम विद द फॉर्मूला S is equal to I, since at the equilibrium level saving is equal to investment. लेकिन यहाँ हमें कंजम्पशन फंक्शन दिया है. सो आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप टू फाइंड इट आउट द सेविंग function with the help of the consumption function. I have already explained how we will find it out. We know that saving is equal to Y minus C. So S is equal to Y minus, we will substitute the value of C here, 100 plus 0.4 Y. Y minus 100 plus minus 0.4 Y is equal to minus 100 plus Y minus 0.4 is 0.6 Y is our saving function. Now we will put the value here in order to find it out the equilibrium level. Saving function की क्या वैल्यू है? 100 plus 0.6 y and investment कितना है? 1100 हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है. ये हमारा इक्वेशन हो गया. नाउ 0.6y 1100 plus 100, 0.6y is equal to 1200. 0.6y is equal to 1200 divided by 0.6. So here it is 6 2s and 000. So Y is equal to rupees 2000. Here we got the value of Y, that is the Y is nothing, Y is rupees 2000 with the help of saving and investment approach. The second question they asked, that is the find out the consumption expenditure at the equilibrium level. So we know that at the equilibrium level, since S is equal to I, therefore S is how much? 1100, that is equal to I. We know that the income is equal to consumption plus saving. Therefore, consumption is income minus saving. So, consumption is equal to how much is the income at the equilibrium level? 2000 minus what is the saving here? 1100. So, what is the consumption here? The consumption will be rupees 900. Understood? So consumption is rupees 900 and investment at the equilibrium level income is 2000. Yes, the numerical number 9. We have to find it out, investment multipliers. Any questions to find it out investment multiplier, basically there are three formulas. Number one formula, K, that is investment multiplier, is equal to change in the income divided by change in the investment. दूसरा फॉर्मूला है मल्टीप्लायर निकालने के लिए, दैट इज 1/1 माइनस MPC, और तीसरा K इज इक्वल टू 1/MPS. इन तीनों फॉर्मूले से हम इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर के कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Let us start with some of the simple examples. Number A, we have to calculate investment multiplier when an increase in investment is rupees 1000. That is, change in investment is rupees 1000 and change in the income is rupees 5000. Change in the income is rupees 5000. So how many times the investment is being multiplied? हम कैसे निकालेंगे? We will use the first formula, that is K is equal to delta Y by delta I. What is the delta Y here? 5000 divided by 1000. So K is nothing but 5. That is, the investment is multiplied by 5 and we got the change in the income is 5000. Let's go to the next example. In next part of question 9, it has been asked that find out investment multiplier when MPC is 0.6. If MPC is given, then we will apply the second formula, that is K is equal to 1/1 minus MPC is equal to 1/1 minus 0.6 is equal to 1/1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. That means 2.5. Here the investment multiplier is 2.5. In the next question, see, again we have to find it out investment multiplier, and here MPS is given, that is 0.1. We will simply use the formula, that is the K is nothing but the reciprocal of MPS. So 1/MPS is 0.1. Therefore, K is 10. In this way, very simple, these are some of the simple exercises. We can find it out the value of multiplier, and these are very important in your 1 marks question or MCQs. Numerical number 10. Numerical number 10, what is given here? In an economy, investment increases from 300 to rupees 500. Just we will find out what is given. Given here that investment increases from 300 to 500. That is 500 minus 300. 200 is nothing but the change in investment. This is the first thing given. As a result of this, equilibrium level of income increases by 2000. That means change in the income is rupees 2000. What we have to find it out? We have to find it out MPC. Now see, there is, in order to find it out MPC, we have to find it out multiplier first. So we will use the first formula to find it out the multiplier. हम इस पहले फॉर्मूले का यूज करेंगे ताकि हमें मल्टीप्लायर पता चल जाए. मल्टीप्लायर कैसे निकालेंगे? K इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा Y अपॉन डेल्टा I. Delta Y is 2000. Delta I is 200. Therefore, K is equal to 10. Once we got the 10, Now we can easily find it out MPC. So to find it out MPC, see instead of this I am using this formula because this is much more easier than the second one. See how I am using K. Now the second step what we are doing, K is equal to 1 by MPS. Instead of finding out MPC, I am finding out MPS, which will be more convenient. Now 10 is equal to 1 by MPS. So MPS is equal to 1 by 10. What is the 1 by 10 here? That is the 0.1. We got the MPS 0.1. Now very easily with the help of our formula number 4, we can find it out the MPC. So MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS is equal to 1 minus 0.1, that is 0.9 is our MPS. This type of questions very frequently being asked in your board exams. Question number 11. What is given here? If in an economy increase in income is increased from rupees 5,000 to 8,000, as a result 20% increase in investment. So how much is the change in the investment? Change in the investment is 20%. How much is the change in the income? Change in the income, see, income increases from 5,000 to 8,000. That is 8,000 minus 5,000. That is 3,000 is the change in the income. Now since it is given in the percentage, so we will find it out. The percentage change in the income, that is 3,000 out of 5,000. And to find it out percentage multiplied by 100, हम इसको 100 से कर देंगे, and that means there is 60% change in the income. Now very easily we can find it out the K here. K is equal to delta Y by delta I, that is K is 60% change in the income due to 20% change in the investment. Therefore, K is nothing but is equal to 3.